We are going to continue from our last class, and today we are going to look at types of angles and some theorems used in angles. Starting from types of angles we have, I would like to start with the first one, which is the full angle. The full angle, something like this. Full angle. This full angle sums up to 360 degrees. This full angle is the highest form of measurement an angle can take. Meaning from here to here, 360 degrees, exactly 360 degrees, full angle. And then the next one I would like to talk about is reflex angles. What are reflex angles? Reflex angles are angles that are more than 180 but less than 360 degrees. Something like this. This is a reflex angle. Reflex angle. Less than 360 degrees but more than 180 degrees. And then the next one we are going to look at is 180 degrees. 180 degrees most of the times is also called angle on a straight line. Why? Because it's on a straight line. It's angle formed on a straight line, and it gives us straight angle, straight angle 180 degree, exactly at 180 degrees is half of the 360 degree. Just like you dividing the full angle into two, it gives you your straight angle. And then the next one we are going to be looking at is obtuse angles. Obtuse angles are angles that are more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. More than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Something like this. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. And then 90 degrees is another type of angle, right angle triangle, exactly at 90 degrees. Right angle, exactly 90 degrees. And then the last type of angle we have is acute angle. Acute angle, this angle, they are less than 90 degrees. Any angle less than 90 degrees is an acute angle. Acute angle. So these are the types of angles we have. Acute angle less than 90 degrees, that means from 0 to 89, we give you acute angle. Any degree from 0 to 89 is an acute angle. And then exactly 90 degree is your right angle. It's forming like an L shape. And then your obtuse angle more than 90 degrees is more than 90 degrees. Any angle more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degree is an obtuse angle. More than 90 but less than 180 degree. And then we now have our 180 degree straight angle, angle on the line. You can call it angle on a straight line. They are still the same thing. Straight angle, angle on a straight line, 180 degree exactly. And then reflex angle, angles that are more than 180 degrees but less than a full angle. More than half a full angle but less than a full angle. That is your reflex angle. And then your full angle, which is 360 degrees. Very good. From there now we are going to look at theorems of the theorems we are going to be using in solving some of our angle problems. Theorems that are going to guide us when we are solving problems. The first theorem I would like to tell us is that angle at a point sum up to what? 360 degree. For example, maybe I have A, B, C, D, E. So therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E equal to 360 degree. Angle at a point gives us 360 degrees. That is the first theorem I would like us to take observe. And then the theorem number 2 is that angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degree. Angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degree. Well, we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. You can see how everything is relating, just like 180 degree angle on a line, angle on a straight line. You can see how they are relating. So angle on a straight line, so far as they are on a straight line, it gives us 180 degrees. That is the second theory I would like us to look at. And then the next theorem I would like us to look at is vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, now vertically opposite angles are equal. We have something like this. This is X, Y, or Z, and then W. Let me leave it this way. Okay, now angle X is equal to angle Y. Vertically opposite, they are opposite to each other. Angle Z is equal to angle W. Vertically opposite, they are opposite to each other. Vertically opposite angles are equal. This is our third theorem we are going to be looking at, and I would like to prove that to us. I would like to give us a proof. Okay, now let me give an example. Maybe here 132 degree. Let me prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Let me give here A, B, C, and D. So now, considering line AB, that is this line, we'll say X plus 132 degree equal to 180 degree. Reason: angle on a straight line. That is our reason. Mind you, anytime you are giving a theory, you write anytime you are giving like a formula, you write the reason in which that formula holds, like the theory in which that formula holds, and then you say X equal to 180 degree minus 132 degree. X is equal to 48 degree. X 48 degree. Okay, now let's consider line CD. On line CD now we have X plus Z equal to 180 degree. X plus Z equal to 180 degree. Reason: angle on a straight line. X plus Z equal to 180 degree angle on a straight line. Okay, so now our x, we already know our x to be 48. 48 plus z, we don't know z, plus z equal to 180 degree, and so therefore z is equal to 180 minus 48 degree, and then z equal to 132 degree. And then now considering line AB, considering line AB, considering line AB, we'll say z plus y equal to 180 degree, the same angle on a straight line, and we'll say our z, we already know our z to be 132 degree, plus y equal to 180 degree, y equal to 48 degree. So with this now, we can see that our x is equal to 48 degree, our y is equal to 48 degree, and our z is equal to 132 degree. So you can see it now, z 132 degree, the same with this, x and y, they are the same. Now we can see that vertically opposite angles are equal. And then I would like to stop here for today. In our next class, we are going to look strictly on calculations. Thank you.